For a lot of people, effort is happening, but results aren't. Time is being spent, energy is being spent, intention is there, but on the outside, nothing seems to move. And for most people, that's the most confusing part because effort is usually supposed to show up as progress. That's what makes this confusing. You're not doing nothing, you're doing something, but nothing is changing. And that gap between effort and outcome is where frustration starts to build. When nothing changes for a long time, the mind automatically assumes something is wrong. Eventually, it leads to one question: what am I missing? Not because people expect perfection, but because they expect some signal. This video is about answering that without blaming anyone and without pretending effort doesn't matter. Most advice assumes a very simple model. You put in effort and you get results. If something isn't working, the assumption is that you just need to try harder. This model works in very simple systems, but dating is no longer a simple system. But for many people today, the experience looks very different. Effort goes in and nothing comes back. No feedback, no signal, just silence. That silence is what creates confusion. Silence is harder to deal with than rejection because it gives you nothing to adjust. This doesn't mean effort is useless. It means effort is landing in the wrong layer of the system. And effort in the wrong layer doesn't show up as progress. It shows up as exhaustion. And exhaustion without feedback is one of the fastest ways to lose motivation. Dating doesn't operate as one single step. It operates in layers. Most people skip this idea entirely. And that's where things start to feel broken. Layers matter because effort only works once it reaches the correct layer. At a basic level, there are three layers. First, visibility. Second, evaluation. Third, connection. Each layer has to happen in order. If one layer is kept, the next one never activates. Effort mostly works after visibility exists. Personality, depth, consistency, all of that matters. Once someone is actually paying attention, this is why personality advice often feels disconnected from people's lived experiences. But when effort happens before visibility, it doesn't feel rewarding. It feels invisible. Not because it has no value, but because it hasn't reached the layer where it can register. Nothing is wrong with the effort. It's just arriving too early. This is where a lot of confusion comes from. Value and visibility are not the same thing. Most people assume these are the same thing. They aren't. Value is who you are. Visibility who is who actually sees you. They overlap, but they are not identical. You can improve one without improving the other. You can have value without visibility. In fact, most people do. And having value without visibility doesn't feel empowering. It feels ignored. That disconnect is what makes people overlooked rather than inadequate. That's why many dating problems aren't really about value. They're about exposure. about whether effort is even entering the system in the first place. Exposure decides whether effort even gets a chance. Most advice comes from people who already had visibility, not because they are dishonest, but because that's where their experience started. Advice always reflects the stage someone passed through. So they talk about later stages: confidence, personality, communication. They forget the earlier layers because they didn't have to think about them. Earlier filters stay invisible to people who never struggled with them. That doesn't make the advice evil, it just makes it incomplete. And incomplete advice, when applied too early, feels like a failure. And when it fails, people assume the problem is them. So effort isn't the problem, misplaced effort is. Effort in the wrong layer feels pointless, even when it isn't. This is a placement issue, not a character flaw. When effort matches the stage you're actually in, things start to make sense again. Not instantly, but clearly. Understanding this changes how you interpret silence. This channel isn't about trying harder, and it's not about giving up. It's about understanding where effort actually registers, because clarity beats frustration. Next, we'll talk about why dating apps feel broken, even when you're doing things right. That's the role of this channel.